Welcome to this exceptionally well-maintained home in the desirable Somerset community of Washington Township. You can enjoy the convenience of maintenance-free living with community services that include landscaping, lawn mowing and treatments, mulching, snow removal, and trash removal, and beautiful walking trails as well. I want you to take a look at some of the exterior features and updates of this house. The exterior trim was just painted 2 years ago, and a new roof was installed in 2012, so it has plenty of useful life remaining. Since purchasing this home in 2018, the sellers have enhanced the landscaping by updating the flower beds, adding several trees, and then Coffee's Irrigation opens and closes the irrigation system every year. The home also has access to the new Point broadband service, providing another great option for high-speed internet. In 2022, the sellers also installed new wood flooring designed to seamlessly match the existing hardwood flooring throughout the house. The kitchen has been very well cared for and includes several updates, including a new stove in 2018, microwave in 2025, and garbage disposal in 2026. One of my favorite features is this spacious family room with abundant natural light, and an open design concept is perfect space for both entertaining and everyday living. The seller has added a blower to the fireplace, making it even more enjoyable during the winter months. For the utility room, the washer and dryer convey. Many of the major mechanicals have already been updated in this house, providing added peace of mind for the next homeowner. A new gas furnace was installed by Watkins in 2019, and a new gas water heater was installed in November of 2022. With so many of the high-ticket items already taken care of, there's a lot to appreciate about this home. In the primary bathroom, the sellers had the cabinetry professionally stained after purchasing the home, giving it a beautifully refreshed appearance. They also added a remote control blind so that they didn't have to climb in and out of the tub every time they wanted to open and close it. So it made it very convenient. There's also a large closet, and then if you follow me over here, there is a large maintained home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The front bedroom has been refreshed with a new window and new carpet. There's a second bedroom here, and this beautiful armoire stays for added storage. And finally, let's step outside and enjoy a private backyard, a wonderful space to relax, unwind, and enjoy the outdoors.